Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I've got a pretty exciting bag to share with you. I've got this beautiful red early version of the vintage Coach pocket purse. So this bag was actually made in the original New York City factory, and I believe it was likely made in the 80s. And this is the very oldest pocket purse that I've ever come across. This is the only one that I've personally seen that was made in the New York City factory, so I'm not sure if they made very many of them at that point, but this is definitely the oldest one that I've personally seen, so I would say it's probably fairly rare, but it's a really beautiful bag. I would say the pocket purse is definitely a classic bag, and I think it's really practical because it's got a lot of pockets, as the name suggests, so it's a great little bag. But anyway, so I'll go ahead and show you the bag now, but before I get to that, I was going to mention that the style number for pocket purses, if you were wondering, is 9755, and like I mentioned, this one was made likely in the 80s and in the New York City factory. So here's a close-up of the bag now. It's got a one-sided hang tag, an older style of hang tag. This says Coach Leatherwear on it. See if I can get the camera to focus. Anyway, here's the front of the bag, and here's what the side looks like. A pretty typical, like what all the pocket purses look like, but this one is red, obviously, and it does have a little bit of red contrast stitching. I don't know if you can see it very well on camera, but that's something that I haven't seen on any other pocket purses before. So it's definitely a beautiful bag, and it's got a pocket back here in the back, which you could probably fit most cell phones in there. And then my camera's focusing weird now. Okay, so now I'll show you the inside of the bag. So here's what the inside looks like. It does have a front slip pocket right here as well. And then here's the inside of the bag. So here's the main compartment, or the main body of the bag. Here's the front pocket, and then it's also got another slip pocket back here. And then it's got the creed, and as you can see, it says it was made in New York City, New York, USA. So that's pretty cool. So it does have a lot of pockets, like I mentioned, one in the back. One right here where the creed is located in the back of the bag, and then also one in the front here. And then I was also going to mention that it does have a detachable strap, so you could theoretically use the bag as a clutch or a crossbody, so it's also a very functional and practical bag. So here's, I'll attach the strap so you can see what it looks like. So it just easily attaches at the sides here. So this is what it would look like with the strap attached. It's a crossbody strap. So it's definitely a practical bag. But anyway, that's the early version of the pocket purse. Thank you for watching. I will, of course, link it below if you wanted to check it out in our Etsy shop. Otherwise, I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Take care.